What's up guys, you're watching the Street Show, and if you're new to my channel then don't forget to subscribe and a like. And today we're going to talk about how to fix the PS4 E-8210604A. Here is the error PS payments. So I'm just going to share my screen on my left side. Here we are at the screen. Go to the screen and here you go to the PS Store and simply sometimes you're trying to buy some games and you simply get the error and PS Store payments will be not going to work. Payments not going to work. And here we go to settings and account information. Here we go to the account information. You just restore your license. Sometimes you get the error because of the license and account information. So, here we go to the address and subscriptions. Not the subscription, you must go to the address. Sometimes your address is a different and your payment method is a different. You must have the same address, container region, and a payment method. And then you go to the wallet. You just simply delete your old payment method and add a new one. Sometimes your transactions not working or your payment method is not working. So that's simply you can do it. And after go to the here simply address. You must check the address. You must have the same address and the same payment method from the same region. So simply that's how you can fix this error. And if you want to ask me a question, then leave a comment in the comment box.